Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix sound issues on YouTube TV so you can enjoy your favorite shows without audio problems. Step 1. Check your TV or device volume. Make sure your TV or a streaming device is not muted and the volume is turned up. Sometimes the simplest fix is the one that works. Step 2. Check YouTube TV volume. Open the YouTube TV app and make sure the in-app volume slider isn't set to low or muted. Step 3. Restart your TV or device. Turn off your TV or streaming device. Unplug it for a few seconds, then plug it back in. Restarting can often fix temporary sound glitches. Step 4. Check audio output settings. Go to your TV or device settings, sound or audio output. Ensure the correct output is selected, whether it's the TV speakers, soundbar, or receiver. If using HDMI ARC, make sure the audio format is compatible with your sound system. Step 5. Update YouTube TV app. Make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube TV app installed. Updates often fix audio-related bugs. Step 6. Test different content. Play another show or channel on YouTube TV to check if the issue is specific to one video or channel. Step 7. Additional troubleshooting. If using external speakers, check the connection cables. Reset sound settings to default if necessary. Contact YouTube TV support if the problem persists. And that's it. These steps should fix most sound issues on YouTube TV. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.